My laundry room is getting a makeover, slowly but surely. I already had the front load washer and dryer, which I've had that for about a year now, since I moved in here over a year ago. But I got the pedestals. They are 14.5 inches wide. Look at that space. Oh my gosh, I love them. Look at that. You can put your bleach in there. Put your little stuff in there. Your little other little products in there. I think that'll fit in there. I may have to lay that one down. But look at that. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. So my laundry room is getting a makeover. Look at how much height it added to the front load washer and dryer. Oh my gosh, look at that. It gave it so much height. So if you were thinking about adding pedestals to your front load washer and dryer, please know that it is definitely worth it. For someone my age, yes, I am over 45 years old, and so your body is not the same. And so, yes, bending down all the way down and put your clothes in, bending down and get them out, it can be a little tough. So now the washer and dryer is perfect height for me to just open it up and reach right on in. No bending down. So I love these pedestals. I got them from BrandsMart. They were the perfect height. I think they gave it like 14.5 inches. Look at how deep they are. Wow. Talk about how deep they are. It's very deep. And you can actually put this in. I think this is the divider. Yep. This is the divider. So you can divide that. Love it. Love it. So if you're thinking about getting pedestals for your front load washer and dryer, definitely do it. Next project, next thing I'm going to do is wallpaper, paint, and add some cabinetry and change out the light fixture. But I love the pedestals from BrandsMart.